Guys, welcome to the Sports Club, and welcome to episode 5 of Frog Game.
And today, this is gonna be frog exploding. So there's gonna be 2 frogs, and they're gonna go on pressure plates by walking on them.
And some of them have TNT under them. So if they press one with TNT, they lose. So let's start. I'm placing the frogs in.
Okay. So now they're gonna run. Let's see which one. Oh.
See what happens.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, that one loses. How do you survive?
I don't know. So the one who stepped on the TNT loses, and the one that didn't step on the TNT wins.
Yo, he got all of the TNT. He exploded all of the TNT.
Yeah, that's why you gotta be careful.
Oh my god.
But we're cooked.
What? One was left. I feel like pressing it.
Don't. No.
Wait, imagine if one was right here.
Oh, what was that?
Did
Did you just hurt a cow?
How did a frog survive?
Do not place TNT with a cow. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay, all you're gonna say is get underwater TNT.
What? Okay, so, well, that was episode 5. Actually pretty quick, but, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you suffocating people? What are you doing?
Placing underwater TNT?
Okay. You know you don't have to spawn water for it.
No, I know. But I'm still placing water.
Okay, this is the full Frog Games course. Totally messed up now.
Bro,
That guy's still alive. Okay, so...
How did they not finish it?
That's crazy. Okay, so that's episode 5.
How did this guy not finish? He was all the way at episode 1. How did he not finish?
Okay, well, that's episode 5, and we'll see you in episode 6. Episode 6 is the final game.
Why is there chicken and no chicken jockey?
And the frog that wins is gonna get a lot of slimes to eat.
No, he's gonna get a reward.
A big reward.
He gets 3 diamonds.
Okay, well, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye!
No.
What?
How did I not die? Yeah!
What are you doing?
I know that the video is on. I'm trying to kill myself.
Why?
Because I want to.
Okay.
You know what?
/ give.
Oh, wait. I forgot something.
/ kill.
Yay! Okay.
Nope.